With no vaccine or proven treatment, Texas officials are betting big on a small Frisco company to keep the coronavirus from spreading. Hi, team reporter Brian New with a look at the company that could be calling to tell you you've been exposed to the virus.
Public health officials say contact tracing is critical to controlling the virus, while many Texans say it's an invasion of privacy. Either way, what you need to know is that the state of Texas has put this process into the hands of a relatively unknown Frisco tech company. When Texas went looking for a company to coordinate its coronavirus contact tracing efforts, IBM, AT&T, and other big-name corporations stepped up with plans. But in a whirlwind bidding process, it was a tiny Frisco firm that beat out the big guys. Texas awarded the $295 million project to a company called MTX Group.
There is no way that they could have done an adequate vetting of the company.
Senator Bob Hall is one of more than a dozen Texas lawmakers who have sent letters urging the governor to stop the contract. Hall says he's concerned about MTX's track record and lack of experience.
I definitely have concerns because I have seen companies try to bite off a project that was outside of what they had demonstrated experience to do. You don't go from being a $1 or $2 million contract company to managing a $300 million contract just because you want to do that.
In less than 5 years, founder Dos Noble has grown MTX from 3 employees to now nearly 1,000, with workers in New York, India, and as of less than a year ago, with its headquarters located in a small office in this building in Frisco, Texas. MTX's rapid growth is largely the result of a COVID-19 app it developed. The company explains it in this sales video.
The MTX Disease Monitoring and Control app allows officials to screen and intake entire communities of people, track their symptomology through a remote monitoring system that sends daily surveys via text messages to screened individuals and collects their answers.
More than a dozen states, including Texas, currently use this app to track down those who may have been exposed to the coronavirus. But in Texas, MTX is also being paid to build and oversee a massive virtual call center to support thousands of contact tracers. This is something MTX has never done before.
I see nothing in their background that would give me confidence that they could do it.
The company's CEO is not shy about his ambition. Noble is known for his trademark #NeverSettle, along with his lofty plans to buy the Dallas Cowboys. Texas Department of Health Services says MTX has so far met the requirements of the contract, including hiring more than 600 contact tracers. But with efforts just underway, eyes will be on the small Frisco company given the big job of tracking the virus. The day before we were scheduled to do an interview with MTX's CEO, he canceled. And ever since, for the past month and a half, the company says Noble has been too busy with deadlines to do an interview. But MTX did give us a statement in which it wrote, quote, "When you are working on a taxpayer-funded contract of this size and scope, scrutiny should be expected, and we welcome it." With the I-Team, Brian New, CBS 11 News.